Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today we're diving into a fascinating blog post detailing the frustrations of seasoned terminal users. It's a real eye-opener.
I'm eager to hear this. I use the terminal daily, so I'm curious what gripes even experienced users have. What were the biggest takeaways?
Well, the author surveyed 1,600 users, most with over 4 years of experience, some even over 2 decades. The results were surprisingly consistent across the board. The top frustration? Remembering syntax.
Seriously? Even seasoned users forget greater than versus greater than? Greater than? That's surprising. I always have to look up awk and sed commands, son. It's like learning a new language every time.
Exactly. It's not just those tools, it's also keyboard shortcuts, redirects, all those little details. Another big one was switching terminals. Different OSes, different editors, different shell versions. It's a nightmare.
Oh, I feel that. The inconsistencies between, say, macOS and Linux are a constant source of frustration. And don't even get me started on inconsistent pagers.
Right? Then there's color. Getting themes to work consistently across apps and SSH sessions. It's a whole other level of complexity. Many users just gave up and stuck with what works, even if it's not ideal.
I see. That's a common problem. I've spent hours tweaking my terminal colors only to have it break with a new update. What else stood out?
Copy-paste issues were huge. Different keyboard shortcuts across systems, multiple clipboards to manage, and the dreaded random spaces appearing after copying. It's a mess.
Oh, I completely agree. The inconsistencies in copy-paste are infuriating. And then there's the discoverability problem. Finding useful tools or features feels like searching for a needle in a haystack.
Precisely. Many users mentioned the steep learning curve and how overwhelming it can be. They feel like they're not progressing even after years of use. The lack of good documentation was another recurring theme.
That's a valid point. Many man pages are cryptic and lack clear examples. I often end up resorting to Stack Overflow. What about shell scripting? Did that come up?
Absolutely. Many users found POSIX shell scripting difficult, and switching to alternative shells didn't always solve the problem. It's a real catch-22.
It's a complex ecosystem. I think the survey highlights the need for better tooling, improved documentation, and more consistent standards across different systems. It's not just about remembering syntax. It's about the overall user experience.
You're absolutely right. The survey underscores the need for improvements in several areas. It's a testament to the complexity of the terminal environment and the challenges users face, even experienced ones. It's a fascinating look into the world of command line interfaces. Thanks for joining us on Tech Bytes and News. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into terminal frustrations. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.